Alright, I feel like there's a gap somewhere in my suit. I'm getting these stings that don't feel good. Got one like right in my trachea. Now one on my chest. So a minute ago I said these bees are being good. That's what you say when you want to get stung. Alright. I'll put some of that Pro Winter on there. I'll push this forward a little bit. Smoke these guys. Smoke these guys. So I got to get those strips off. Oh, heavy. Oh man. Now I got to kind of pick it up and slide it back. All right. Let's see. They're kind of shifted all. Well, it doesn't look like they're shifted to one side or the other. There's no gaps here. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to leave this alone. I'm going to shift everything over here. See all these bees coming out, right? It's the time of day, but also in that bottom box,